Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the macros widget on the ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From where we can get started with selecting our team. So first things first, go into the team section right here. From the bottom right corner, we can go and get started selecting your team. You can go and filter them out, find which one suits you the most and get started choosing it for its workout. So once you've chosen your team, you can go to the workout section right here and we can get started. So let's go and take a look how to use the macros widget. So basically guys, to use the macros widget, first you're going to update the application to the latest version to make sure you have the version with the widgets enabled. So what you're going to do is go to the home page of your phone right here. You're going to go to the home page of your applications and you're going to long press anywhere on the page, and this is going to open up this edit menu in the upper left corner that you can click on and go ahead and get started selecting what you want to add, and you can click the add widget option. Once you click on add widget, it's going to enable you to select what widget you want to add. You're going to select the ladder application, and from the main widgets, you're going to go and be able to select the macros one that's going to add your macros tracking right here to the home page, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.